Most car companies redesign a bestseller and play it safe. Mazda did the opposite. The 2026 CX-5 is a full third-generation rebuild. New design, bigger cabin, smarter tech, and a safety suite that shames vehicles costing $15,000 more. Let's break down exactly what changed and whether it's worth your money. The CX-5 has sold over 1.6 million units in the US alone since 2012. Mazda didn't need to fix it, they needed to evolve it, and that's exactly what they did. Starting with the exterior, the new design draws direct inspiration from Mazda's flagship CX-70 and CX-90. Sharper lines, a wider stance, a bolder front grille flanked by angular LED headlights with a new two-tier DRL signature. This thing looks confident. The new standard color is navy blue mica, and premium options like Soul Red Crystal and Polymetal Gray are available for an extra $595. If you've seen Soul Red in person, you already know. No further explanation needed. Inside is where this generation makes its biggest statement. Mazda stretched the wheelbase by 4.5 inches, and that space went directly into rear legroom, knee room, and headroom. Backseat passengers finally have room to breathe. The cargo area grew too, nearly 2 inches longer, an inch higher with a lower lift-in height, up to 66 cubic feet with the seats folded. The 40-20-40 split rear seat adds flexibility, and wider door openings make loading a car seat or hauling gear genuinely easy. The interior quality? Exactly what you'd expect from Mazda. Premium materials, two-tone leather options, and new ambient door lighting in 7 colors. It feels like a $30,000 car should feel. On technology, Mazda made a real leap. Every CX-5 now comes with a standard 12.9-inch touchscreen, and top trims get a 15.6-inch display, the largest Mazda has ever put in any vehicle. Google built-in is standard across the lineup, giving you Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Play Store natively built into the car. Apple CarPlay is supported too. The top trim adds Mazda's driver personalization system. Multiple drivers can save custom seat, mirror, and HUD profiles, so the car adjusts itself the moment you get in. Under the hood, a recalibrated 2.5-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder makes 187 horsepower with 186 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic in standard AWD on every trim, no paying extra for all-wheel drive. The engine is retuned for sharper response, new shocks improve ride comfort, and updated G vectoring control makes cornering feel more planted. Fuel economy sits at 24 city, 30 highway. A hybrid powertrain is confirmed, but that's a 2027 story. Now the safety package, and this is where Mazda genuinely sets itself apart. Standard on every single trim. Rear automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic braking, forward turn-across-traffic braking, emergency lane keeping, blind spot assist, traffic sign recognition, and radar cruise control with speed limit assist. 10 airbags, all of it standard on the base model, starting at $29,990. That's not common, that's exceptional. Pricing runs from $29,990 for the base S trim up to $38,990 for the Premium Plus across 5 well-spaced trims. Every one of them includes AWD and that full safety suite from the factory. The verdict? Bigger, smarter, safer, and still unmistakably Mazda. In a segment full of capable but forgettable options, the 2026 CX-5 is the one that actually makes you feel something when you drive it. Comment below, would you go base trim or stretch for the Premium Plus? Like the video if this helped, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.